Hi, this is Dr. Dominguez from HQ. Today we're going to talk about testosterone in men. Testosterone is a great hormone to use in men because most of us, really as we age, we tend to have symptoms. And by these symptoms, I mean decreased libido, weight gain, decreased muscle mass, decreased energy, brain fog, recovery after exercise. All these things are really relevant as we age because they just get worse. So what we want to do is treat in an appropriate way where it's safe, where it's efficient, where you get resolution of these symptoms so you can actually feel like you did, especially like when you were 30. Even in young guys, I see it all the time. Low testosterone is actually endemic across the United States. It's amazing how many people have low testosterone, even young guys. And even for the young guys, there's still solutions because you could really use other therapies that are not necessarily testosterone where they don't inhibit your fertility. Because testosterone can decrease sperm count and inhibit fertility in certain ways. But there's solutions for you guys that are still interested in fertility. If you're not, testosterone replacement therapy is really the way to go because it helps tremendously. And actually in the long term, it's shown to improve health and long-term wellness. So if you have any questions, give us a call here at HQ.